Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed the topic that was, I'll just recall it, that was festive spirit. Okay, so this was the topic that we have discussed in our previous session. Okay, so today I'm going to start with the next topic from our GK book. Okay, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, so this is the next topic that I'm going to start in today's session, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, so let's begin with the topic. Okay, and the topic is given at page number 51, that is quiz yourself too. Okay, so all of you open your books at the page number 51, that is quiz yourself. Okay, and this is given at page number 51. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the topic, the quiz yourself. Okay, so in this we will discuss about the various questions that are related to the different topic. Okay, as you all are aware of it, that quiz means different questions from different topics. Okay, so that is what we are going to do in this session. Okay, so the first question that is given is, when was the first international yoga day celebrated? So सबसे पहला international yoga day कब celebrate किया गया? So when was the first international yoga day celebrated? So the first international yoga day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. Okay, so you must be knowing every year yoga day is being celebrated on 21st June, but for the first time it was celebrated on 21st June only, but in the year 2015. So आज से near about 6 years back, 5 to 6 years back. So first yoga day was celebrated for the first time, that was 21st June and 2015. After that, every year this yoga day is being celebrated. Okay, इसके बाद हर साल जो ये योगा डे है ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है on the date that is 21st June. So the answer of the first is, that is 21st June 2015. So the answer of the first is, that is 21st June 2015. Moving next to the second one. In which state were the 36th National Games held in the year 2016? Okay, so 2016 में कौन सी स्टेट में सबसे पहली नेशनल गेम्स हुई थी? इन विच स्टेट वर द 36 नेशनल गेम्स हेल्ड इन द ईयर 2016? So the question is, in the year 2016, which game was held for the first, which 36th national game was held? So the 36th national game was held in in Goa. Okay, so there is a national games जो कि in 2016 में जो 36th national game हुई थी, so that is the 36th time that games is organized. Okay, that's why it is known as 36th national game. So in the national games, different games events are organized in which the participants for the different games, they come together in a single event and they perform. Okay, so here the question is कि इंडिया की कौन सी स्टेट में, in our country, which state has organized the 36th national games in the year 2016? So the answer is Goa. So the answer of the second one is, that is Goa. That is Goa. GOA. That is Goa. 36th national game was organized in Goa in the year 2016. Moving next to the third one. So the third question is, the people of which country speak Sinhalese? So किस country के जो लोग हैं they speak Sinhalese, okay, or you can say Sinhalese is the national language of which country? So sorry, is the language of which country? Sinhalese is being spoken by the people of Sri Lanka. तो श्रीलंका के लोग, the language they speak is, that is Sinhalese. So Sinhalese is the language that is being spoken in Sri Lanka. Okay, so the people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese language. Okay, the people of which country speak Sinhalese? That is Sri Lanka. The people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese. The people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat अभियान? ओके, भारत के ऐसे कौन से प्रधानमंत्री हैं, ओके, जिन्होंने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जो था that is being launched by that Prime Minister. So which Prime Minister of India has launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by Narendra Modi, the present Prime Minister of our country, and his name is Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi has launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for the first time in India. Okay, you can say that Swachh Bharat, not the first time you can say. So actually the जो ये स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, तो what is स्वच्छ भारत अभियान बेटा? Under this अभियान, under this moment, all the pledge is being taken, pledge ली गई एक, you can say that एक निर्णय निश्चय लिया गया that all the our whole country, हमारी पूरा जो देश है, that should be cleaned. Okay, आपने देखा होगा जैसे foreign countries, if you have seen or if you have visited, so you must so you will find that all the cities, they are quite very clean, just like our houses, that we keep like our houses. Okay, so they have clean roads, clean streets, they clean waters in the river. But as we can see in our country, this is not the same condition. We are having the lots of rubbish that is being thrown on the roads. Okay, the people, they eat and throw the garbage on the garbage or the wrappers on the road. Okay, so these are the very ill habits that is being adopted by our Indians. Okay, so under this mission, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he wants that everything, that may be a road, or it may be a street, okay, residential area, each and every area of our country should be neat and clean. Okay, and that should be hygienic. Okay, so we must live in a hygienic environment. Okay, for adopting that hygienic environment, he started the movement, that is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, so which Indian Prime Minister has launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? That is Narendra Modi. So the answer of the fourth is, that is Narendra Modi. That is Narendra Modi. Okay, so Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by Narendra Modi. Moving next to the fifth. The fifth is, who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird? Okay, so To Kill a Mockingbird is the name of a book. Okay, now the question is, who is the author of the book, or who has written this book, The Mockingbird? So the author of the book is Harper Lee. The author of the book, To Kill a Mockingbird, the complete name of the book is To Kill a Mockingbird. Okay, so this is the name of the book, and this book was written by Harper Lee. So the answer of the fifth one is Harper Lee. That is Harper. Okay, this is the answer of the fifth one. That is Harper Lee. Okay, so Harper Lee is the author of the book To Kill a Mockingbird. Okay, moving next to the Sixth one. So for now, this is the answer of first five that is given in your book. The first is the 21st June 2015. This is the day, okay, on which the Yoga Day is being celebrated for the first time. Second is Goa. Goa is the place where is a state where 36th national games were organized. Third is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the language that is being spoken in Sri Lanka is Sinhalese. Fourth is Narendra Modi. He is the Prime Minister of India who has launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The next is Harper Lee. He is the author of the book that is To Kill a Mockingbird. Chaliye, moving next to the sixth one. Chaliye, so next question, that is sixth given here. The sixth question is, who invented television? Okay, so television jo ho gaye, the TV you watch. Okay, have you ever noticed that who invented this great invention that is television? So television किसने invent किया था? So television was invented by J.L. Baird. That was invented by J.L. Baird. So he is the inventor of television. Okay, so he has invented this television, and the first person that he has telecasted on the television was an office boy of his building. ओके ऑफिस मतलब उनकी जो बिल्डिंग जहाँ पे वो काम करते थे, सो वो उनका जो एक ऑफिस बॉय था, सो ही हैज़ लॉन्च दैट ऑफिस बॉय. ओके, नॉट यू कैन लॉन्च, ही हैज़ मतलब उनको सबसे पहले टेलीकास्ट किया. तो द ऑफिस बॉय ऑफ हिज वर्क प्लेस building was the first person who is being telecasted on the television. Okay, that was the invention of J.L. Baird. Okay, so who is the inventor of television? That is J.L. Baird. The answer of is J.L. Baird. He is the inventor of television. That is So the answer of the sixth is that is J.L. Baird. That is J.L. Baird. B-A-I-R-D. That is J.L. Baird. Moving next to the seventh one. The seventh is, which religion is Lord Mahavir associated with? जो लॉर्ड महावीरा हैं, जो भगवान महावीर हैं, वो कौन से धर्म से एसोसिएटेड है? सो लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. तो लॉर्ड महावीर किस धर्म से एसोसिएटेड है? सो लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. ओके, यू नो द पीपल हु फॉलो जैनिज्म, they are pure vegetarian. Okay, they live on the vegetables only, and other than that the people, they don't wear footwears. Okay, वो कोई भी footwears नहीं पहनते. Okay, so they believe that the Jain people, okay, the followers, they believe that okay, if they wear some kind of footwear in their leg, so हो सकता है कोई भी कीड़ा मकोड़ा, कोई भी insect आके उनके पैर के नीचे मर जाएगा. So that's why they don't wear any footwear. Okay, so they are all of the followers of Lord Mahavir. Okay, now the question was, which religion is Lord Mahavir associated with? तो जो भगवान महावीर हैं वो कौन से रिलीजन से एसोसिएटेड है? सो लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. सो लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. दैट इज जैनिज्म. JAINISM. So Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. Moving next to the eighth one. The eighth is, Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? Okay, so Mark Zuckerberg कौन सी पॉपुलर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट के मेन फाउंडर है? सो दैट इज फेसबुक. सो मार्क जकरबर्ग इज द मेन फाउंडर ऑफ द सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट दैट इज फेसबुक. Okay, so if you have any account, okay, still there is no, you are not in an age that you make social networking, that you surf social networking site. This is not your age. Okay, but if you know about the Facebook, so now in this question we are talking about the founder of this very popular social networking site, that is Facebook. Okay, so the founder of this social networking site Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. So Mark Zuckerberg, along with his four friends, okay, they came up with the idea of this social networking site, that is Facebook. And now he is, due to this Facebook, he is now one of the leading you can say the leading business tycoon nahi, richest person. He is one of the leading richest person in the world. Okay, that is Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so he is the main founder, but along, no, he was not alone. Along with him, his friends, four friends were also there, who helped him during the launching of this social networking, or those who paid their, those who also worked with him for making this social networking site, that is Facebook. Okay, so and you know this Mark Zuckerberg and all his four friends, they all are college dropouts. Okay, so now who is the founder of the main founder of okay, sorry, Mark Zuckerberg. The question is, Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? So the answer is Facebook. So the answer is Facebook. The answer is Facebook. Facebook. That is Facebook. Okay. Moving next to the ninth one. The ninth is, if Sahil is older than Ali, Ali is older than Tashi, and Tashi is younger than Sahil, who is the oldest? Okay, who is the oldest? Okay, so now they have given the condition about the three persons. उन्होंने बताया साहिल, अली and Tashi. So they have just given some of the information about these three persons. The first is Sahil. So Sahil is older than Ali. Sahil Ali से older है. Older means बड़ा. So that means, okay, I'll just explain it here. This is Sahil, and Sahil is older than Ali. Ali मतलब Sahil से छोटा. Older means बड़ा. So that means Sahil is older than Ali. That means Sahil is bigger than Ali. Next, they have said Ali is older than Tashi. Ali Tashi से बड़ा. So that means Tashi is younger than Ali. Okay. So this देखिए, Sahil was older than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi. Sahil Ali से बड़ा है और Ali Tashi से बड़ा है. Okay. Next they have said Tashi is younger than Sahil. और Tashi Sahil से छोटी है. So yes, she is younger than Sahil. Okay, as we can see here. Now the question is, who is the oldest? The question है, इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा कौन है? Okay, so who is the oldest means who इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा कौन है? So as we can see that Sahil is the oldest because he is oldest than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi. So basically Sahil is oldest of these three. So the who is who is the oldest among these three? That is Sahil. Okay, so who is the oldest? That is Sahil. Sahil. So Sahil is the oldest. Okay, tell me. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th is, what is the capital of Pakistan? So Pakistan की capital क्या है? So what is the capital of Pakistan? And you all are aware of it that Pakistan is our neighboring country. Okay, so have you ever thought about that? What is the capital of this Pakistan? So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Okay. So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Islamabad. That is Islamabad. Okay. So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Clear? चलिए, moving next. Okay, so these are the answers from 6 to 10 from the page number 51. Okay, so the first is J.L. Babe. He is the inventor of television. Second is Jainism. Jainism, Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism only. Third is Facebook. Okay, so Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of this famous networking site, that is Facebook. Next is Sahil. Okay, so this was just a reasoning question. The next is Islamabad. So the Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Clear? Okay. Now we'll move to the seventh one. Sorry, we will move to the next question. So the next question is question number 11. So let's move to the question number 11. What is the hardest substance in our body? So हमारी बॉडी में सबसे हार्डेस्ट, सबसे कठोर सब्सटेंस कौन सा है? सो व्हाट इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस इन अ ह्यूमन बॉडी? दैट इज टूथ इनेमल. सो आर टूथ इनेमल इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस इन आवर बॉडी. सो हमारी बॉडी में जो हमारा टूथ है, इनेमल है, ओके, दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस. ओके, वी कैन, हम किसी भी चीज़ को काट सकते हैं, तोड़ सकते हैं विद आवर tooth enamel. Okay, so which is the hardest substance in a human body? That is tooth enamel. So the answer of the 11th one is tooth enamel. Okay, so this is the hardest substance in a human body. E-N-A-M-E-L. So tooth enamel is the hardest substance, in the human body. Clear? Moving next to the 12th one. The 12th is, which Indian language is spelt as a palindrome in English? Okay, so कौन सी भारतीय भाषा को इंग्लिश में palindrome कहा जाता है? Okay, so which Indian language is termed as, or you can say it's spelled as, spelled means लिखा जाता है. So which Indian language is spelled as palindrome in English? So that is Malayalam. The answer is Malayalam. So Malayalam is spelled as palindrome in English. So the answer of the 12th is Malayalam. Okay, so in English we will spell this. In English, we will spell this language Malayalam as palindrome. We will spell it as palindrome. So the answer of the 12th one is Malayalam. M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. That is Malayalam. That is Malayalam. Okay, so now the next is, that is the 13th. Okay, so the 13th is, which sport in India, so which sports in is the Indian Super League associated with? Okay, so which sport is the Indian Super League associated with? So that is ISL. So Indian Super League is associated with football. तो इंडियन सुपर लीग कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड बेटा? ओके, सो देखिए, सो द इंडियन सुपर लीग इज एसोसिएटेड विद फुटबॉल. सो द आंसर ऑफ 13th इज फुटबॉल. ओके, सो एज यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट द IPL. IPL is Indian Premier League. IPL is Indian Premier League. So Indian Premier League is associated with cricket. So just like that, this Indian Super League is associated with football. Okay, so I'm just comparing the both IPL and the ISL. Okay, so just think about it. Okay, देखिए IPL में you know that there are number of 8 to 9 teams. They participate every year. Okay, this is a just annual event that is organized every year. Okay, so in which the various teams with the various state names, they come together, okay, and to play the matches, the cricket matches. But the uniqueness about this is that all the members, those who played, or all the players, those who play in the IPL, okay, they are from the different countries. Okay, कुछ Bharati kuch, in some of them are the Indian cricket players, international Indian cricket. Some are from the under 19 Indian national Indian cricket team. Some are from the Indian national team. Okay, some are from the Indian state team. Along with that, the international players of the various countries, they also come to. They all also so they also participate as a team in the wake of, और जो बाकी कंट्रीज़ के जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट प्लेयर हैं दे ऑल्सो कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट विद एंड दे मतलब अलग अलग टीम्स में वो खेलते हैं. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स बेसिकली दे आर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट देयर ओन अगेंस्ट द प्लेयर ऑफ देयर ओन कंट्री, बट द टीम विद विच दे आर प्लेइंग दे कंसीडर दैम मतलब जब वो खेलते हैं तो वो अपना देश कौन से स्टेट से कौन से उससे बिलोंग करते दे जस्ट फॉरगेट इट. ओके, सो दे जस्ट प्ले फॉर द टीम. Okay, so this is the IPL. So just like that in the ISL, the different teams are there. Okay, and the players they play. Okay, so the जैसे ही the case में international football players are not there. You will not see the Messi or the Maradona here. So in the ISL, only the Indian players and some of the Asian countries player they come together. Okay, and they play this event that is ISL. Okay, so that is Indian Super League. Okay, so which sports is the ISL or the Indian Super League is associated with? So Indian Super League is associated with football. So the answer of the 13th is that is football. 13th is Indian Super League is associated with football. Clear? Moving next to the 14th one. Which planet comes between Mars and Saturn? कौन सा planet है जो Mars और Saturn के बीच में आता है? So which planet comes between Mars and Saturn? That is Jupiter. That is Jupiter. So the Jupiter it comes between Mars and the Saturn. Okay, and Jupiter is the biggest planet I think. Okay, and this okay, after Mars is a मंगल ग्रह जिसको हम मंगल ग्रह बोलते हैं. that is our Mars. मंगल ग्रह is our Mars. Okay, and the second is the Saturn. Okay, so this between the Mars and the Saturn there is a planet. So here they have asked us about that planet. So what is the name of the planet that comes between the Mars and the Saturn? That is Jupiter. Okay, so the answer for the 14th one is that is Jupiter. That is Jupiter. Jupiter. That is Jupiter. So Jupiter comes between the Mars and the Saturn. Okay. Chalo, moving next to the last one. Okay, that is the 15th. The 15th is, in which state of India will you find the Lake Pichola? Okay. ओके, सो इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, भारत की कौन सी स्टेट में, भारत के कौन सी स्टेट मीन्स राज्य में. ओके, सो इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया you will find the Lake Pichola. So there is a lake that which name is Pichola. Okay, and it is located in which state of our country? So Pichola Lake is located in Rajasthan. Okay, so the Pichola Lake is located in Rajasthan. So the question is, in which state of India will you find the Lake Pichola? That is Rajasthan. Okay, so Pichola lake is located in Rajasthan. So this is the answer of the 15th. That is Rajasthan. Rajasthan. That is Rajasthan. So Pichola lake is located in Rajasthan. Okay, so these are the answers from 11 to 15 from the quiz yourself 2. So the answer of the 11th one is Tuthinamal. This is the hardest substance in our body. Second is Malayalam. So Malayalam is spelled, the Malayalam language is spelled as palindrome in English. Third is football. So ISL, that is Indian Super League, is associated with this game, that is football. Next is Jupiter. So Jupiter is the planet that comes between the Mars and the Saturn. Last is the Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the place where the Lake Pichola is located. Okay, so this is the answer. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.